The leader of the ATM, Uzungula Vuyo, has been fighting tooth and nail for the restoration of Ubukhosi bamaHlubi. So namhlanje, nge-28 May 2026, the South African National Assembly is scheduled to have a vote on a draft resolution regarding the formal recognition and restoration of Ubukhosi bamaHlubi. So the ATM has directed the Portfolio Committee on Corporate Governance and Traditional Affairs to investigate why amaHlubi angakabi restored ubukhosi babo. What is the legal or the policy, or what are the gaps surrounding the non-recognition of the kingdom of amaHlubi? So the motion is the resolution calls on the national government to fully recognize amaHlubi as a legitimate, distinct indigenous kingdom to address historical and justice. And this is not just about amaHlubi and them being restored, ubuzwe babo being restored, their kingship. Ziningi izizwe la eSouth Africa which were forced to be integrated kwezinye izizwe which they were never part of. Ziningi izizwe which were always independent, always indigenous to this land, mara they were forced to be subjects of other kingdoms. Yabo, amaMpondo namaMpondomise have always been izizwe ezi-independent. AmaBhaca, amaMfengu, Abambo, Amanguni, zonke lezi lezi and many more were never part of this lezi ikhona manje. They've always been independent, yabo. But due to colonization, apartheid, these people were forced to be integrated kulezi ezinye izizwe. Some were forced kuba amaXhosa, some were forced kuba amaZulu, some were forced kuba abaSuthu, and many more. So when the ATM fights for izinto ezikanje, we must support the ATM. Not just the ATM, any other party ozolwela decolonizing, because this is decolonization. Any other party ezolwela decolonization, mele support the party, despite ukuthi party ozoyivotela or not. Yabo, this is not just about amaHlubi, this is about decolonization, this is about justice, and this is about equity. So it's important ukuthi so support amaHlubi, and hopefully the draft will be adopted and the resolution will be ukuthi amaHlubi is an independent nation, it's not dependent on anyone, njoba vele kunjalo.